Okay, guys, example number 1 says solve the proportion, and I'm going to write this a little bit larger so we can see it. 5 over 6 equals x over 18. Guys, proportions. Learn it now so I don't have to tell you again. Miss HS taught this to you last year. That's why you spent the whole year in math. Okay? Don't make it a waste. I hope you know this already. But if you don't, a proportion is an equation that has one fraction equaling another fraction. When a fraction equals a fraction, it's called a proportion. That whole thing, this whole thing, is called a proportion. All right? 5, 6 equals x over 18. Now, gentlemen, whenever I have a proportion, I can cross multiply. 6 times x is equal to 5 times 18. And now I have no more fractions. Okay? Cross multiplying. I need to simplify. 6x is equal to 5 times 18 is 90. And then divide both sides by 6. And x is equal to 15. Now, because Fritz is smart, he's going to say, hey, Mr. Cortez, really? Do I have to go through all of that work? I can tell that 6 times 3 gives me 18, so I just multiply 5 times 3, and that gives me 15. Yeah, Fritz, absolutely. And I want you to recognize that and to do that if you see it, okay? Here's the problem. Here's the problem. Sometimes that number is 19. And then we don't have a nice pretty number that we can multiply by, like 3, okay? And the simplest way to do it is just to cross multiply and divide, all right? So that's why we're able to do this. Guys, remember, if I'm going to teach you how to ride a bike, I'm not going to throw you off the half pipe to do it. Yes? I'm going to use a simple problem to do it. I might throw Alex off the half pipe, but then my intentions would not be for him to learn how to ride. It would be for me to watch him be thrown over the half pipe. And that's a nice image. But it's not about learning. All right. If I've got two equal fractions, we're cross multiplying, and then we'll divide to solve for the x. All right? Good job, guys. See you at the next example.